sunrise at the New York Bakery. Soon, this factory will produce thousands of loaves for the region.
The mixer stops and Gareth initiates the drop. 1,000 kilograms of perfectly proof.
Moisture content looks good on this batch. Okay.
Agreed. Consistent viscosity.
The gluten structure is fully developed. It's ready for the proofing stage.
The divider machine precisely sections the dough, a crucial step in maintaining consistency across the product line.
The rounding machine ensures consistent weight and texture, shaping the dough perfectly before it moves to the proofing stage. Here in the bakery, the automated robotic arm ensures precision, lifting the fresh pans high before loading them directly into the ovens.
It's amazing to see the quality. We are very proud of what we built here.
Another day done. Look at that sunset.
Beautiful. Makes it all worth it.